Recorded.
All right, so last night I taught you guys how to grill in a blizzard, and here we are today, 30 inches of snow. You've cleaned out your driveway. This plow hasn't come yet, so you can't get out of the house. And what are you going to do? You can still have some fun. So here we are on a back patio. We're going to pour ourselves a little drink. I went with a tropical flavor because it makes you feel warmer. Salute. And then what you do is you just sink down in and relax. Allie, can you throw me some chips? Great, thanks.